What up?
This is Sam, a subscriber I met in San Diego to help him feel more at ease talking to people and step out of his comfort zone. You're watching the 16th episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge. Enjoy.
Hi. I really like your hair. Yeah, you look Texan.
You like it?
My name is Sam. I live in San Diego. I'm a tattoo artist and a fine artist. I'm out here today trying to make some friends and be comfortable approaching people. It's usually hard for me to approach people.
Okay.
I usually like to warm up to people and it takes me time, but I think it's better to get out of my comfort zone and just go for it, you know? I used to go out a lot, like going to bars or hookah lounges or clubs, and that was like my comfort zone, and it would be at night and I would get faded, you know, but
And you would
this
do what?
is like faded, you know?
Faded, okay.
And then then it goes easy.
Okay.
But I think this is a much better way just to approach people whenever I have the opportunity, because I get a lot of opportunities everywhere, you know?
Any last words before we start?
No?
Okay, cool.
Hey, excuse me? Hi, how you doing? I just want to tell you you're really pretty. I like your hair. What's your name? I'm Sam. Nice to meet you. Are you seeing someone? You are? Okay. Have a great day.
Do you work for the Census Bureau? Or like...
She seems like she wanted to keep walking. You know, let me see it. Try.
Okay, but whether she wants to keep working or not,
I should
keep
talk
working,
more, right?
You know, you can at least ask, how are you? How's the day going?
Yeah.
Like it's a bit, you're not working on a survey.
Oh, yeah.
Are you seeing someone? Are you single? You know what I mean? Like.
Hey. What's up? Can I talk to you for a second? No? Have a good day.
The fact that you ask her, can I talk to you for a second? Obviously, she's gonna say no. You have to tell them why you're talking to them, right? So you could have said, hey, you're very cute. How's your day going? But by saying can I talk to you for a second? It shows that first of all you're not expecting the best because you are asking. If you were expecting the best, you wouldn't be asking. And second of all, now you're introducing a lot of questions like, why do you want to talk to me? Who are you? How long are we going to talk? What do you want to talk to me about? You could have just said, hey, you're very cute. How is your day going? And then at that moment, either she talks back to you and that means she wants to talk, she's okay talking to you, or she's like, hey, I don't have time, and she walks away. But you added an extra step that you have nothing to gain from.
Hi. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. I just wanted to come say hi.
Oh.
Can I join you?
I'm sorry?
Can I join you?
I'm actually waiting for somebody.
Oh, are you?
Picking up some food too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy your day.
Meeting you, though.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
What was your intention?
Talk more.
No. But why did you sit next to her and not next to someone else?
What do you mean?
These other people, right? Why did you choose to talk to her?
I thought she was cute.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Should I compliment her?
So my point is, you're asking someone, can I join you? But you don't tell them why you want to join them.
Yeah.
So what do you want? Do you want to sell her a desk? Do you want you don't tell her why you want to sit next to her. So what?
Yeah.
You can just say, hey, you're very cute, and you don't even need to ask to sit. You can just sit, and then you see, if she's cold, if she flushes doesn't want to talk to you, then there's no point for you. Why would you want to talk to someone you don't want to talk to?
Yeah.
But the first thing is, I would say you have to get comfortable being clear with your intentions.
Hey, excuse me?
Hi.
I just saw you really pretty.
Thanks.
What you up to?
We're just going to meet some friends, then hanging out later.
Oh, okay. What's your name?
Sarah.
Sarah? I'm Sam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can I get your number?
I have a boyfriend.
Yeah, boyfriend? Okay. Have a great day. I feel like I'm approaching people, girls, way more easily. Just that once the conversation happens, how do I keep it flowing,
I would say, just imagine, always ask yourself, what would I talk about if I was with some friends? You would just say, what they're doing, and And then, you know, the problem is that when you're relaxed, your mind is going to pick up on things and the conversation is going to go organically. But when you're in your head, then it's almost as if you're not really listening to what's going on, and so you get stuck, right?
So here I challenged Sam to talk to this man on the bench so that he could focus on being in the moment, being in the conversation without being distracted by his attraction.
What's up, man? How you doing, brother? Doing good? Can I sit here? Yeah. Are you from here? Are you from here?
No, I'm from Texas.
From Texas? Cool. Yeah, you look Texan. Yeah. Do you have animals over there and stuff? Or?
Cattle ranch, but not anymore.
What do you do here?
College student.
College? Cool. What are you studying?
Computer science.
Computer science. Cool, man. That's dope. Are you by yourself here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically.
You get to meet a lot of people?
Not really.
Not as much? Yeah.
Work and stuff.
I see. That takes a lot of time, right? Yeah.
I wanted to do marine biology, but
It's pretty interesting. Right? Yeah.
I've always wanted to be a cattle rancher growing up, and still do.
Which one would you prefer? A cattle ranch or?
That's a $1 million question.
You probably like them both. Yeah. What kind of animals do you have in the ranch? Like horses, cows?
I had quite a few. I don't anymore. I lost my mom to cancer in 16.
Oh, sorry to hear that, man.
And yeah, I ain't got nothing anymore.
Nice to meet you, brother. I'll see you.
Yeah.
It was pretty chill. I didn't really expect him to be that friendly. And once I started talking to him, get to know him, he's very knowledgeable. He has some very good information about like marine biology. We're talking about cattle ranch, Texas. He's talking about the weather, and he tells me there's a storm coming. You can see the streaks in the... Yeah, oh, that's pretty cool. I'm like, I want to hear more. Hey, I just want to tell you, you're really cute.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome. What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What are you up to today?
We're gonna go to the firehouse.
Firehouse.
Yeah, we're just waiting our camp when we'll get available table. Sorry.
Oh, you getting a table? Nice.
Yeah.
You getting turned tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You?
I'm with a friend. We're walking on the beach. Stuff. Yeah. I might go to the bar later. Where are you from?
Russia.
Russia.
Yeah.
Cool. How long you been here?
3 years.
3 years. Nice. You gonna stay here or? Yeah. What
You?
do
Where you?
Oh yeah. I was born in Iraq. Yeah, I've been here for 12 years. Yeah.
You like it?
Oh yeah.
Cute,
I like that. I like it's red too.
It's like a superstitious thing, so people don't wish bad on you. So
Yeah.
that's what it is.
Okay,
Yeah.
it works.
We'll see. We
For
shall
good
find
luck.
out.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Can I get your number? No? All right. Have a great day. I was nervous with approaching them. Again, I thought she was a friend, like, I don't want to interrupt them. But really, once we started talking, she was pretty friendly and it felt pretty natural.
Okay.
I feel like there was like a lot of tensions. Like when I first see a girl, like I really want to talk to her, and in my head I'm like, oh no, like I give my bullshit story to myself. But really, once I get up there, say hi, they usually end up. They're always friendly, smiling, and they want to talk. So I should not be afraid at all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi.
Yo, yo.
You're really pretty.
Thank you.
I love your tattoos.
I appreciate it.
You have a lot, don't you?
I do.
More than me? Damn.
Maybe, who knows? I'm working my way up.
Yeah. Can I see your back?
Working on it.
Wow. I love those colors. It says suck itself to warm. It won't suck itself. Yeah, I like that.
like it.
Are you getting more tattoos? You are, huh?
Getting there.
All the way? Face?
Just that one. Not yet. You can barely see it. 'Cause
Did you
it's
have the dermal?
I used to, yeah. I had 2 dermals at one point, but I had to get rid of them. I was doing jujitsu for a little bit, and that shit would like pull out.
Oh
It's
yeah,
gnarly.
I bet.
Yeah.
Cover up with a tattoo.
You know it.
Yeah. What's your name?
Jojo.
Jojo. I'm Sam.
Sam, pleasure
Nice
to
to meet you.
I'm gonna get a margarita. I'll be hanging out around here.
Okay. Can we talk to you some more?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Okay. Where you got your tats?
Huh?
Where you got your tats?
My boyfriend. He's done most of my shit.
Nice.
We're over here trying to investigate
I
got you. It's a Chinese dragon.
It's a what? Chinese dragon all the way down? Oh my
Wow.
god.
Thanks, Boo.
I feel like it flows naturally, you know? But it's kind of easy. Hey, just say,
What's up?
just say you're really pretty.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
What are you up to?
Thank you.
It's chilling? Yeah. What's your name? I'm Sam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You live around here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm about to catch this ride down. I like
Where? You ever fall or no?
it. Of course. Look at my elbow.
Oh wow. Was that
Look
recent?
at my leg, yeah.
Oh wow.
But yeah, I fall.
That's pretty cool though. It looks fun.
Huh?
It looks fun.
Yeah.
Do you do it often or?
I skate every day. Like
Oh, you
20
do?
miles every day.
Nice.
Yeah.
I really like your hair.
Huh?
I really like your hair.
Oh, thank you.
Are you single?
Yeah.
You are? Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I get your number?
I'll give you my Instagram, but I'm gonna tell you, like, I'm not trying to like be anybody's girlfriend. Like, I'm not trying to.
We can be friends.
I'll give you my Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We can hang out sometime. I can't skate, but we can do something else.
There you go. So I can color. So now you're colored.
Sweet.
Alright?
Nice to meet you.
Alright, Sam, right?
Yep. Hey.
Alright, later,
Nice to meet
Sam.
you. My experience was good. That I actually approached people. I talked to them, and it felt good. I got to approach way more people than I would have done by myself. You know. I realized that people are usually friendly if you just approach them, be nice, and just compliment. No one really is gonna bite you.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching?
Yeah, I would say approach anyone that you like. Don't be afraid. People are usually friendly. If you can do this challenge, definitely do it. I was really afraid to do this challenge, but really once I got out here, it went smooth, I would say. And in the future, I'll be approaching a lot more people.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sam.
Well, things takes time, you know, especially when you're trying to override decades of behavior. So my advice is always the same. Cultivate your self-expression in your daily life. Follow those genuine impulses when you see someone and you want to say something. Just go for it, and over time you'll get more comfortable, and the outcomes are just going to take care of themselves. So if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, my email is ruben@socialanimal.us. So if you want to chat, if you want some coaching, and especially if you want to take part in the challenge, shoot me an email. I'm going to be on the East Coast until mid-July. That's it for today. See you next time.